Ooh, okay, traders. It's been a rough morning. I've been up since about 5 o'clock trying to make sure that my $450 deposit had settled and cleared for trading options. And even after they cleared it with management at 6:32, it was not working. They were still telling me that I did not have enough money to buy my 194, my February 16th, $194 put that costs $425. It's up 450, but at 6:32, 6:35, it was up $49 and I couldn't get in. I kept trying to buy for like 4 times. And so I told him, I said, I lost $49 and I need to be reimbursed. So I'll let you know if they're how Charles Schwab deals with this, because as far as I'm concerned, um, that purchase of the Thinkorswim platform was a big mess. But I love the platform so much, I didn't really mind what company it was with. So now I went back and I bought the not 194. Somebody else had to approve of my account. My option buying power account was enough to buy this 194 February 16th, 2024 put. They finally approved it, and I see it here. It's up $1.25. Let's see. It's up $5. Okay. 7. So IWM is moving down, just like what I did. I used my simulated trading account to show me what IWM was doing, as well as CAP. Now, CAP is interesting because the puts and the calls are both negative, which usually means when I look at the chart, I see that CAP went sideways, even though it had a earnings call overnight. Now, what could have been good is that in my simulated account, I could have bought the put and call before the market closed on Friday, but I didn't do it. And cat is going down. And this is a super go down. So let me see, I got $44 left. Let me see if I can buy any puts around $44 or less. and see if we can make a little money on cat going down. Okay, so we're going to go down. Let me go to my multiple screens so I can look at both of them at the same time. Charts. Right. Chart. IWM and CAP. Both of them going down. Both of them going down. And all I did was in the simulated trading account, I picked out the stock and the ETF that I wanted to trade this morning. And I placed those orders as market orders so they would get filled quickly. And then I used my real money to mimic what was happening in the simulated account. Both of these are going down like crazy, and it's wonderful. So let's see, real account. Real account is up to over $500.97. Whoa, how wonderful is that? So now I'm going to go in and put in trailing stops on both of these. Trailing stops. They're going down nicely. I want trail stop. And whatever it suggests, that's what I'm going to do. Limit trailing stop. See what it suggests. It suggests 10 cents. Good until canceled, even though I'm going to get out before the day is over. Confirm. Send. Good. Short sale. It's a trailing stop, man. You see, wow, look at Caterpillar. It's going down like a tank, man. And that's wonderful because I have a put on both of them. But all I did was place the orders in the simulated or paper trading account first so I can see what was the winner. And then I come over into my real money and just mimic what I was doing in the simulated account. That is the lesson for today. And I'm going to see if I can utilize it during this entire week. And so I plan to be awake at 6:30 in the morning this week so I can see if, especially the earnings reports, if I can do a put in a call for the earnings report stocks and see what makes money. So, okay, we're up $58.50. Now, I did want to put a trailing stop, and it was like it didn't want me to. Trailing stop, 10-cent trailing stop on IWM. And also, I want to put a trailing stop. IWM got out. It hit a low. Yep, hit a low. Let's see what Cat is doing. Caterpillar is still going down. This is called a super. This is the 20 and the 8 going down at a 45-degree. This is called a super downtrend, if I remember correctly. If the 200 is going down with the 20, in fact, let me get the 200 and see where it is. Simple moving average. Mm-mm. Right. Mhm. Right, the real on it. But I watch the cat if it goes above the 200. That means that the 200 is acting as a support. But if it bounces off, that means the 200 simple moving average is acting as a resistance. And I'm hoping that it's going to act as a resistance so we can make some more money today. Already made $53 plus the $49 they should reimburse my account with because of the between the 6:30 and 6:38 where I could not trade. I told them it's $49. So we might have made over $100 today if they included my first 8 minutes of trading that I tried to do but could not. So let's see. Let's look at the chart. See what's happening. Looks like it's going over 250. Doesn't look like the 200 is going to act as a resistance. Here come the buyers, and the Williams percent R is getting ready to come over. Let's see what happens. buyers are coming in, coming in. Let's see if they win. Okay, looks like they're winning. I'm getting out because I want to trade tomorrow morning and I have over $500 to do it. Okay, so we started with $477. And now we have $518 in our account. IWM, which I just going to see now. We're going to hit a low. IWM is still going down. Beautiful. Hmm. Let's see if they let me come back in and buy another 190. Really expensive. No, I'm not going to miss it. Just looking at the chart, I would have stating stocks are very good for risk taking, controlling the risk, especially in terms of controlling your users' risk, minimizing your losses. But I'm very happy with today's trade, even though I'm totally out now. And see everything is zero. Everything is zero. Up 51. And I'm hoping that they can add $49 to my account that I lost between 6:30 and 6:38 was my option buying power was telling me, even though the money was there, that it was not available and unsettled, which was not true. So that's all for today. I'll try to do something tomorrow and have a glorious trading day, traders.